Good morning, students. Today, students, we are going to start exercise 3.3. But before starting that one exercise, we will do divisibility rules. So, divisibility rules which we are going to do today are divisibility rule by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10, and one more we do, that is divisibility rule by 11. So firstly we discuss of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it is even number. Means suppose, for example, if I take 370. Now see this one number. It is having 0 in its ones place. So the number which are having 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 on ones place, we call it that number is even and that number is divisible by 2. So 370 is divisible by 2. Clear? Because it is having 0 in its ones place. Now we will discuss divisibility rule by 3. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, means sum means whatever the digits are given. Now by 3, how we check? By 3 we add the numbers, mean 3 plus 7 plus 0. Now add it. Answer come 10. 10 comes in 3 table? No. So it means 370 is not divisible by 3 because the sum of the number is not divisible by 3. Clear? Now we do with 4. For checking the divisibility by 4, what we have to do? Suppose I am having 2, 1, 2, 0. This is a number. In 4, what I do? I will check last two digits are both 0. If both numbers are not 0, they should be divisible by 4. Means I will check the divisibility by 4 by checking is last two digits are divisible by 4. Means 20 comes in table of 4. Yes. So it means 20 is divisible by 4. So 2120 is also divisible by 4. Clear? Now by 5. By 5 they said ones digit. Ones digit means the number on ones place should be 0 or 5. Now see this number. It is having 0 in ones place. So 2120 is divisible. 2120 is divisible by 5 also. Clear to you? Students, these all divisibility rules you have to write down in your copy before starting the exercise. Clear? Now next rule. If the number is even means it should be divisible by 2 also and it should be divisible by 3 also if we want to satisfy that the number is divisible by 6. Clear? So see how we do this one question. By 6. By 6, firstly I check the divisibility by 2. For example, any number we take. Number I am taking 2, 1, 2, 0. Now see, this number is divisible by 2? Yes. Why? Because it is divisible by 2. Clear? Now we check by 3. By 6 means it should be divisible by 2 also and 3 also. Now 3. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0. Add it. Answer come 5. 5 is divisible by 3? No. 5 is not divisible by 3. In divisibility by 6, it should be divisible by both number. If it is not divisible by both number, then it is not divisible by 6. Means it should be divisible by 2 also and 3 also. Clear? Now we do divisibility rule by 8. In divisibility rule by 8, the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Means if I take this example 2120, from that 120 should be divided by 8. If it is divided by 8, then it means 2120 is divisible by 8. Clear? So if I check it out, it is divisible by 8. Yes, it is divisible by 8 because 8 ones are 8 and 8 fives are 120. So it is divisible or completely divisible. It means 2 is divisible by 8 because 120 is divisible by 8. Clear to you? Now we do next divisibility rule, that is divisibility by 9. Again I am taking one number I am taking 2130. You have to check is the number is divisible by 9. The rule of divisibility in 9 and 3 both are same. In 3 what I said, the sum should be divisible by 3. In 9 same thing. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, it means the number is divisible by 9. So see, by 9 what we do? We add the numbers 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 0. Add it. Answer comes. One more number we will add. 1 second. 3 plus 3. Clear? 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer come 9. 9 comes in 9 table. Yes. So 21303 is divisible by 9 because its sum is divisible by 9. Clear? Now by 10. By 10, last digit should be 0. Clear? Is the last digit is 0? No. So it is divisible by 10? No. So you write no. It is not. Take any example by your own and then check its divisibility. It is not divisible. Clear, students? Now we do next divisibility rule. Divisibility rule 11. What the 11 say that firstly you have to find the difference between the sum of the digit at odd places and the sum of the digit at ones place. Suppose this is the number 308. Clear? On the number what I write? Odd, even, odd. Clear? Then odd one places number you add. Means 8 plus 3, 11 come. Now even one places add. It is only 0. Now 11 minus 0. What come? 11. 11 comes in 11 table? Yes. So it is divisible by 11? Yes. You write yes, the number is divisible by 11. Now take another example. Again on 1331 we write odd, even, then add even and odd one number. Odd one number are 1 plus 3, 4. Even number are 3 plus 1, 4. Minus them. Answer comes 0. So 0 is divisible by 11 also. Like this manner you have to do divisibility rule. Now students, you have to write all the divisibility rules in your maths copy, which one I explained you. Clear? Now we do exercise 3.3, question number 1. Question number 1, student, we will do in the book only. Clear? As they have done first one for you, similarly you do rest of the part. Now see, number is 990. Into what we see? Last digit. Last digit is 0. So it is divisible. You write yes. I am writing Y for yes and N for no. Now for 3, what do you do? Add them. Is this number? Yes. Again yes. Then for 4, what do you do? You have to see last two number 90 is divisible by 4. No, so you write N. Clear? Now 5, last digit should be 0 or 5. It is 0, so write yes. In 6 case, check it out. 2 and 3 both are yes, so you write yes. In 8, what do you do? Last three numbers are divisible? No, you write no. Clear? 9, add them. Are they divisible by 9? Yes. 10, last is 0, so you write yes. Now in 11, what do you do? Odd, even, odd. Odd numbers are 9 plus 0, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. So again yes. Clear? Now we do 1586. What do you do? Last number is 6, even, so you write yes. In 3, add them. When you add it, answer is not divisible, so you write no. Then 4, last 86 come in table of 4? No. In 5, last digit is not 5, so no. 6, check it out, 2 and 3. 1 is no, so here 6 come no. Then 8, 1. Last three digits are divisible. Divided in the side, you will get it answer. Answer come no. 9. Add the numbers. If it is not divisible, you write no. 10, last digit should be 0, so it is no. And 11, 1 plus 8, 9. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 minus 9 is 2, so it is no. Clear? Now we do next part. It is 5, so it is no. Clear? Then 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So it is not divisible by 3 also and 9 also. It is divisible by 4? No. Because 75 does not come in 4 table. It is divisible by 5? Yes. In 6, both are no, so no. In 8, it will be no only. 10, no, it should be 0 only. And 11, plus them, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 minus 7 is 0, so it is yes. Clear? Now we do next part. I will do 2 parts and rest of the part you have to do by yourself in the book only. Now last digit is 6, so it is yes. Add them. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 8, it is 26. So it is divisible by 3? No. Right, no. In 4, 86, no. 5, last is not, so no. 6, no, because it is not divisible by 3, so we write no. 8, it is no. 9, no. 10, no. 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 18, so it is again no. Clear? Now next one part, it is 0, so yes. Clear? Add that numbers. When you add, it is divisible by 3 also. Then 4, last number is 10, no. 0, yes. 6, both are yes, so yes. 8, last three number 2, 1, 0 come, no. Then 9, add it, no. 10, last is 0, yes. Then 11, add it, it will become it will be divisible by 11. Clear? Now student, I have done 5 parts for you. 4 part you have to do by yourself in the maths books only. Clear? So I hope you understand the divisibility rule by 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. We all done. I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.